Not used to going out of the country na, especially nung,
Yeah.
bago kami kinasal, I brought her to the States eh. It was parang my gift to her eh, di ba?
First time mo napunta ng
America.
na, wala yung parents mo.
Yeah.
Oo, na hindi mo kasama.
So, nung dinala ko siya, parang nasanay na siyang kasama niya ako parate.
Oo, may
But
ganun
I
eh.
told her, I was explaining to her na we have to do this, it's part of our job. Pero sabi ko naman, later on naman, you know, it will be, think of it this way, yung ginagawa naman natin is for us and for the future, para sa mga magiging anak natin.
That's true, that's true. Eh, how about Jessa? Ano ba yung, syempre ikaw rin, meron ka mga kilig moments there. Ano bang, meron ba kayong gano'n? Meron ba si Jessa ang gano'n, mga kilig ka?
Sa kanya,
O kinikilig ka pa ba?
every day of my
Uy,
married life.
talaga nga naman. Ay, haba. Bilis na din daw.
Hindi
Papawisan
talaga.
ako.
Ito lang, you know, I really hope na after 5-10 years, ganito pa rin yung feeling ko. Kasi every day of my life, it doesn't mean na hindi kami nag-aaway or we don't have arguments.
course,
No? But
of course.
every day of our life, she never ceases to amaze me. There's always one thing that would always parang inspire me to go on to. It could be na parang sasabihin niya sa akin, yung, let's say when I'm down, she'll motivate me.
Oh, ito everybody knows that, you know, your love affair, your love story is one of the most talked about and sensational.
So,
in the
naman.
past 2 years, how long have you been together? 2 years, 3
Almost
years?
2 years. Wala pa.
Oh, yung mga ganyan, di ba? So, wala ba kayong nararamdamang pressure to keep yung parang, uy, kailangan sweet tayo, uy, kailangan fabulous. Naiisip ba yun? Oo.
Fabulous.
Kaya nakakaramdam kayo ng mga ganyang klaseng pressure?
Walang pressure kasi hindi kami yung tipong nagpe-pretend na
Kung wala namang pretend.
walang
Natural.
pretensions.
Actually, siya pag ayaw nga niya maging sweet sa akin, makikita niya eh. Talagang,
Malayo.
kahit nasa harap ng tao yan. Sabi ka, huwag mo naman ipakita na ganyan. Ganun siya eh. Pero, most of the time naman, hindi. I mean, it comes naturally yung aming, yung sweetness sa isa't isa.
Siyempre, kumakanta kayo. Ano yung theme song yung dalawa?
Siyempre, yung walang kamatayang Glory of Love.
Bakit yun naman ang napili nyo? Parang bigyan, katayin nyo nga, sige na. Sige na!
I am the man who will fight for your honor.
You be the hero I've been dreaming of. We'll live forever, knowing together that we did it all for the glory of love.
Ayun, glory. Glory.
Related kasi sa storya namin.
Ng love story niyo.
Yeah.
Glory
Oo,
of
we
love.
went through so much.
Anyway, ano nga ba theme song niyo ulit? Binaliktad. So ngayon, your plans, ano ba yung mga plans for the future? You have a bar tour?
Bar tour, yeah.
When is this gonna be?
This coming September, I'm
Marami yan,
gearing
6
up. Yeah, we have 6 shows, no? Getting back to the music scene ulit ako. And I'm doing an album.
You have an album coming up.
Tapos aside from that, yung Christmas.
Yeah, the Christmas album also of Star.
Star Records,
Star
yung carrier
Records.
single.
I wrote a Christmas song.
Eh, you
kasi.
write nice songs naman,
Yeah.
ding dong.
Thank you.
Diba?
Tapos kasama din siya, meron din siyang entry sa contest.
Manager
sa-
ko ba?
Oo nga, eh, parang ano ba, dapat na lang ikaw nang tanongin ko.
Correct.
Hindi pala yan. Alam
Parang
mo,
ganun.
parang nawawala sa isip niya mga bagay-bagay. So ikaw, Jessa, you still have shows. You're gonna go to the States, but
Yes.
hear about here in Manila.
Sa November, I'm gonna have a big concert at the Music Museum. Tapos,
Say the
siya yung
title.
director ko.
Yung title.
Anong title?
Mesmerize.
Ooh.
Attitude. Tapos yun, yung third single ko, yung Kung Kailan Pa, from My Ibigay Mo na album, which turned platinum recently.
Uy, platinum.
So, yun, pinapromote ko pa rin.
So may next single. Oh, dyan muna kayo Iwan ko muna kayo dyan. Mamaya magbabalik. Di pa kayo tapos. May game
Okay.
pa tayo later. Pupunta muna tayo after one kilig, another kilig.